What's up, guys? Alright, we're going to be going over the new update. It's been a while, but just want to catch up on it. This is version 9.0, 2019.5.4. So let's look at the release notes for it. Alright, so included in this was the most popular Sentry mode, which I'm super excited about. And basically what it is, it's an alarm system where the car automatically enters a standby state, where the cameras and sensors remain powered on, and it'll detect potential threats and trigger an appropriate response, which is actually Takata and Fugue, if you guys know what that is, and it'll go into this alarm mode. So there's two kind of threats. If a minimal threat's detected, such as someone is leaning on your car, the Sentry mode will be on the alert state, and it'll display a message saying cameras are recording. But if a major threat, such as someone breaking a window, the Sentry mode will go ahead and switch to alarm state. You'll hear the car alarm and then that Takata and Fugue, which is pretty awesome. The screen will go maximum brightness, and it'll be showing, once again, the cameras recording, and you'll get that whole notification on your phone. Now, to save that video clip, what you need to do is make sure that that USB drive you have is, once again, inserted in, and you're going to need more than 20% of the car to operate. Once it hits below 20%, it's automatically going to turn off. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and test out Sentry mode now. So all you're going to do is go to your car settings, safety and security once it's in park. And Sentry mode will be lit up now, and you can choose that as an option. Right here it's going to say, once again, it needs to be 20%. And it's going to use sensors, microphones, cameras, and the computers. And it'll play loud music when the alarm's triggered. And as well as it'll send recorded footage to Tesla for temporary backup and feature improvement, and you can once again disable this at any time through the settings. So we're just going to try it. I'm going to put it on Sentry mode now and try to activate the minimal threat and the maximal threat. So here we go. Next thing is the dash cam. This isn't a new feature, but what is new about it is, in addition to the front cameras up here that is recording, the narrow forward camera, it's also going to be on the car's side cameras. That's pretty awesome. So what you need to do to save it is press that recording button here in the top right of the screen. That's going to go ahead and save 10-minute video clips. Next one is dog mode. So what you're going to do is, this is basically if you want to keep your pets inside the car. It's going to leave the climate. It's kind of like climate control, but instead it's going to have something on the screen saying, hey, my owner will be back soon. I'll show you guys later in the video. Just so no one's breaking your windows and they know that your dog is nice and comfortable. Alright, so we're going to enter dog mode now, and all you have to do is tap that fan icon on the bottom of your screen and keep climate on dog mode. So once again, it'll once it's below 20%, it'll turn off. So set that temperature you want it. I have it at 66 right now. Once you're done with that, all you have to do is open the door, walk away, and dog mode will turn off. Our next feature here is the blind spot warning chime. What that is if someone's in your blind spot and you have your turn signal on, it'll alert you with a chime noise. My experience with this is I actually haven't had the chime with someone in my blind spot. Instead, you have the car blinking red, the whole vehicle now on the screen, instead of just a lane blinking red. This is pretty cool with the new update. The only time I've had a chime is actually when someone's about to rear end me, instead of someone actually being in my blind spot. Next one, we have the auto folding mirrors based on location, and that's basically let's say if you're in a tight garage and certain locations you want your mirrors folded, you can go ahead and do that in your settings. We also have a few more updates. I didn't get to do a video on this, so we're gonna go over it real quick. Some previous release notes. We have some cold weather improvements. Basically, doesn't apply to me, but there's some cool things if you're in the coldest section of the US or cross country. Keep the climate on, and this is when you leave the car if you just want to keep the temperature at a nice temperature, and you can control it from your phone. Mobile apps, some new updates with that, of course. And we have romance mode if you're on a first date, you want to get nice and cozy. You got a whole fireplace for you guys, and we got some fart noises. Been playing with that with some of my passengers. Super funny. I'm going to show you guys that. We have the Tesla Tari game controller support, where you can hook up a game controller to the USB ports and use that instead. Alright, we're going to look at a few of the updates now. We're going to go ahead and go to the Easter egg section, which I like to call it. These are the same, these are the same. The two new ones here is the fart noise as well as the romance mode. So let's try that romance mode first. So there we go, we got a nice fireplace, and actually it seems like my heater's turned on too. I didn't know that. This is my first time going on. So if you hear, I'm gonna turn the volume up. You can hear that crackling noise of just like a fireplace. So if it's, once again, it's your first day, you want it a little bit more cozy, go ahead and put romance mode on. Oh, I didn't even know it did that either. I guess you got these nice. This is romantic now. Feeling it. Let's see if I click again. Alright, so 2 clicks you're out, I guess. Alright, let's go look at the whoopee cushion right here. So there's 2 options here, the fart on demand, fart on turn signal. So if I put fart on turn signal, I'm going to try the right one. To the left. There we go. Fart on demand, it says press the left steering scroll. So we're going to try that. And I put it here on the right side just so my passengers can go. I can blame it on them because it's right behind them, and it'll be right behind the passenger seat. So press that again, and you have different fart noises. You can go not a fart. That sounds like a short short dripper. Just very small. Falcon heavy. Yep. Ludicrous. We got the Neura stink. The boring fart. We have the I'm so random. And this will just kind of cycle in between all of them. So I keep it on this one. What's up, guys? Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you guys have any more questions about owning or purchasing a Tesla, you can go ahead and follow me on social media. Twitter at Tesla_Young or Instagram at Young Tesla. Slide in the DMs and ask me any questions. I got you guys. And if you like this video, leave a like, comment, subscribe. Hey, we'll see you next time.